Now let's talk about Python packages. Usually we create a package to group together all the modules that belongs to the same idea or same point. How we can create a package is quite easy. Simply, we create a folder and then without a folder, we create a Python module, and this module should be named __init__.py. So the availability of this module will make the folder considered as a package from Python interpreter. Now let's see how we import names from a Python package. In other words, from the modules within that package. Before I show the actual syntax, you have to know that when a package or a module inside a package is imported, init.py is imported and executed, and this is necessary for package initialization. So this is a quite important point. Now let's see the syntax. You can import a module from a package simply by say import package name then .module name. You can give also an alias name, so then no need to use all of these prefix every time you want to use this module. It's enough to use the alias name. You can import a module using from, so in this case you have to say from package name import module name. You can use from and import with as to give an alias name. Also, you can import some specific functions from a module within a package using from package name.module name import names. Also, for this name or specific name, you can give an alias name. Now let's move to PyCharm IDE to see some examples about importing names from packages. First of all, let's see how we can create a package. Simply, we go to the project directory and then right-click, new Python package, and give it a name, for example, new_package, enter. Directly you will see that a folder has been created, and PyCharm within that folder creates for you a Python module is named init.py. So as I mentioned before, this special file will make the folder be understood as a package from Python interpreter. Now after we create a package, let me show you how we can import name from a package. In order to understand this, I will assume I have a package, its name area. Within area, inside init, I say print, hi, I am area package. I have a module, its name area calc, and then we have two functions for circle area and rectangle area. Then I have a dummy module which has nothing in this package. Now let me open module 10 and let's see how we can import. The first way, we can say simply import area.area_calc, which means from area package, I want to import area calc module. Then, if I want to calculate the circle area, I have to say area.area_circle, which means package name, module name, then dot the function name. You will see now that this name is long a little bit, so the solution for this is simply to use an alias name. So I will say import package name dot module name as AC, and then I say AC.circle area. And this will work, and you see here there is no red lines highlighting an error. And as you see, this works without any problem. Also, my friend, you can use from function to import a specific module from a package. So here if I say from package name import module name, then if I want to use a function, no need to use the package as a prefix, and directly you can use only the module name as a prefix. Also, if the module name is long or the module name is similar to another module, you can use an alias name, and in this case, the alias name refers only to the module name. In this case, I will say AC.circle area. Sometimes, from the same package, I want to import more than one module. In this case, you have to say from area import area calc, dummy module, which means I stated here the names of the modules that I want to import. Now, until this point, I'm showing you how we can import modules from packages. Now let me show you how we can import a function from a module inside a package. So, in order to do that, we can say from package name dot area calc import circle area, which means from this package and this module give me this function. Now if I want to use this function, no need for any prefix, and directly you can use the function. And here, the last example, you will see that I am giving an alias name to my function as CA. So when I want to use this function directly, I can say CA. So to summarize this point, you will see that when I use import statement only, I'm using the package name and module name as a prefix. When I am importing the module from the package using from and import, I'm using the module name only as a prefix. Whereas when I am importing a function from a module, in this case, when I want to use a function, there is no need for package name or module name as a prefix. And that's all for import statement. Now let me run module 10. You will see this statement has been printed. Hi, I am area package. Why this statement has been printed? Because don't forget, when I import a module, the code available inside init module inside this package will be executed. And here we have print statement. And that's all. Now let's summarize what we have learned in this lecture. First of all, we have talked about modules and we see how we can create a module. And in order to do that, simply just create a file with .py extension. After that, we have talked about packages and we say if you want to create a package, simply create a folder and within that folder, there should be a file, its name init.py. We see that if I want to import names from modules or packages, the keyword to do that is import. We have talked also about documentation. And we see that if I want to document a module, I have to add a documentation string at the header of the file using triple quotes. And I say triple quotes because the output of help function will have my documentation string. Also, we say that when a module is loaded into a running Python script for the first time, or in other words, when it's imported for the first time, the code within that module will be executed. We have talked about also main variable and we see it's quite important variable and usually we use it to include the code that we want to be executed only when I want to run the module itself, not when we import this module from other modules. Now please refer to the file Working with Modules and Packages in Python Appendix, in which you will find all the import statements that have been covered in this lecture. Also refer to the file Working with Modules and Packages in Python Challenges, in which you will find some challenges to practice what you have learned in this lecture. Thank you very much for your time, and if you are available, join me in the next lecture.